So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. You're going to right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you just want to copy and paste both the commands which will be down below in the description. So we're just going to copy the first one. We're going to do Ctrl-C on our keyboard. Go to PowerShell, right click on the white tab, click on Edit, and then click on Paste. And then click on Enter. Now for the second one, we're going to copy this, Ctrl-C, go to PowerShell, right click on the white tab, click on Edit, and then click on Paste, and then click on Enter. Now you just want to restart your computer. And then that's how you do it. However, if you're still experiencing problems with the Microsoft Store, now we're going to head over to Search and type in the Registry Editor, click on it, and then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you want to follow everything that I'm doing up here. So first you want to expand HK Local Machine, then you want to expand System, then you want to expand Current Control Set, now you want to expand Services, and now you want to find AppXSVC. So we're just going to scroll down till we find AppXSVC, click on this, and now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, you want to find Start, double click on it. Now in the value data box, make sure that it has the number 2. If it has anything else, you want to delete it, and then type in the number 2, and then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then the Microsoft Store should be working now.